Today, I'll show you how to enable bike mode in Google Maps. Bike mode in Google Maps helps you find cycling routes, bike-friendly roads, and bicycle paths where they are available. This is useful when you want directions made for cycling instead of driving or walking. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now search for the place you want to go. Tap the destination, then tap Directions. At the top of the screen, you will see different travel options such as car, public transport, walking, ride share, and cycling. Tap the bike icon. Google Maps will now show cycling directions if bike routes are supported in your area. Google says the bicycling map detail can show bicycle paths you can take, but availability may depend on the location. Review the suggested route before starting. Check the distance, estimated travel time, and any route options shown on the screen. If everything looks good, tap Start to begin bike navigation. You
Head
can also
north,
turn
then
on the
turn right.
bicycling map layer. Go back to the main map screen and tap the layer's icon. Under Map Details, select Bicycling. This can show bike-related routes and paths directly on the map, making it easier to plan your ride. If you do not see the bike option, it may not be available in your country or city yet. You can also try updating Google Maps, restarting the app, or checking the same route in another nearby area. And that's it. You now know how to enable bike mode in Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.